Hi, I'm Max and I'm cycling from Berlin to Bangkok.
Good morning, I'm an Ali Chur. I arrived yesterday in the dark, but it's cold, apparently -8 degrees outside. But I'm gonna stay here for one more day because tomorrow the forecast is amazing. And I'm gonna cycle to Murgab now. It's a 110 kilometer ride and I have a new shoe concept.
Sleeping in Ali Chur was rough. I kept waking up from the lack of oxygen at 3,900 meters. After 2 nights there due to bad weather and knee pain, I started cycling again. Problems on 4,000 meter altitude.
It's 4 o'clock and I'm in Murgab. Boo!